In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply overheads in CostMiner, a comprehensive construction estimating and takeoff software. Whether you're new to CostMiner or you just need a refresher, this guide will help you add markups or manage overhead costs with ease. So let's dive right in. First, we're going to visit CostMiner's website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or simply search for CostMiner, construction estimating and takeoff software. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in. If you already have an account, click on the Login to CostMiner button. Enter your credentials to access the dashboard. If you're not logged in, your work is hanging in suspense, so make sure you're in. Now that we're inside CostMiner, it's time to select a project to work on. On your dashboard, look for the list of projects. Click on the one you wish to apply overheads to. This is a pivotal step because you want those calculations to be applied to the right project. Once your project page is open, your focus should shift to the columns with a plus sign and a percent symbol. This is the area where you can input the necessary markups or overhead costs. These columns are specifically designed for users to seamlessly integrate additional costs as a percentage of the total. Essentially, this is where you ensure that every aspect of your project is accurately accounted for, financially speaking. Next, you'll need to calculate the appropriate percentage of overheads based on your project's specifics. After this calculation, proceed to type this figure into the designated field. Make sure your math is correct. Overheads aren't merely added numbers. They're critical in maintaining project feasibility and profitability. Accurately assessing your overhead costs is crucial in giving you a clear projection of your financial obligations and potential profits. And just like that, once you've typed in the percentage you've computed, you're good to go. The software automatically applies this to your project total, ensuring that your estimates reflect all anticipated expenses. It's a simple yet effective way to keep everything in check, and it concludes this quick tutorial. So congratulations, you're all done. By following these steps, you've effectively managed to apply overheads in CostMiner. Keeping track of those overheads and applying them correctly can make a world of difference in maintaining financial accuracy and control within your projects. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore other features within CostMiner for a more streamlined and efficient project management experience. Remember, practice makes perfect, and every time you navigate through these steps, it only gets easier and more intuitive. Happy estimating!